American Dream Trading is where to be if you want to be a winner in the stock market, says Eric Delator. Jeremy Davis said this guy at American Dream Trading is changing the stock market experience for beginners and veteran traders. Love this guy. Thanks, Coach. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. That's very cool. Appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Ralph over on Twitter says, thanks for all you do. Been here every day since you opened the door for me. Appreciate you, Coach. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate you. Last Twitter from Vij says, Coach's strategies are game-changing. He and the American Dream Trading community provide the most supportive, outstanding trader training platform to be a part of. I can't imagine joining any other group. There was only one place, American Dream Trading. Thank you, man. Appreciate you, buddy.